Hello and welcome to the Best of IPMAT series. Today's question is also from the PNC topic like the last video. Okay, quickly read the question, try your hand and then we will see the solution.
Hello everyone. If you like our content and want to experience the IMS pedagogy, then join our zero fee prep program that will give you access to concept videos, sectional test and full length mock test and many more for free. To avail this, please click on the link mentioned under the description box below. Happy learning.
Okay, so moving on to the solutions. Question says that there are 10 points in the plane and 5 of them are collinear and they are asking us how many lines can be made. You know that to make up one line, we need at least 2 points, correct? So, if there are 3 points given, we have to choose 2 at a time to make up one line, correct? So, the way to do that is going to be picking up 2 points out of 3. How do we select? We do 3C2. So, if there are 3 points given, how many lines we can make? We can make 3C2. Value of 3C2 you know is 3, and if there are 3 points, you know it becomes a triangle, so it's 3 lines anyway. So, that funda of what we are thinking is correct. Okay, so if there are 10 points given, assume that all of them are non-collinear, which means any 2 points taken together should give us a line. So, if there are 10 points given, we should be able to make 10C2 lines, correct? Now, let's say if we are given 3 points which are collinear. What do you mean by collinear? Points lying along a straight line. So, if I am giving 3 points, I can make only one line passing through this and not 3C2, 3 lines passing through this, correct? So, the points that are collinear, they are not going to contribute lines, that many lines for us, okay? So, because there are 5 points collinear, in the 10C2, we've already counted 5C2, the lines which these 5 points will contribute, and therefore, we should subtract those lines. Okay, so let's subtract 5C2 from 10C2 because the question says that there are 5 points collinear. The most important part is now. 10C2 minus 5C2, most of the people will be able to do it. Remember that those 5 points will not give us 5C2 lines, but they will not give us 0 lines, they will be able to give 1 line because they are all collinear. Okay, so the answer is 10C2 minus 5C2 plus 1. Very, very, very important. That 1 is very important. Okay, so let's quickly solve this. So 10C2 is 10 factorial upon 8 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, so 10 into 9, 90 by 2, which is 45, minus 5 into 4, 20 upon 2, which is 10 plus 1. So 45 minus 10, 35, 35 plus 1 is 36. Okay, so the answer is 36 and not 35. This is exactly the reason why this guy is here. This guy is here only to confuse you, only so that people will fall in that trap who are really in a hurry of moving on to the next question. Okay, so the answer is 36 and not 35. Answer is option number 4. Now, a good variation to this question is, had the question not asked us lines, but let's say triangles. Okay, so there are 10 points out of which 5 are collinear. How many triangles can be made? We can extend the same funda. Since we required 2 points to make up one line, we did 10C2, we did 5C2. Now, out of those 10 points, to make up a triangle, we are going to require 3 points. Correct. So, how do? You do 10C3. You pick up any 3 points at a time from the 10 points and you will be able to get a triangle. Importantly, the 5 collinear points again are not going to contribute any triangle. Correct. So, minus 5C3. But now, will we have a 1 plus 1 plus 2? The collinear points, all 5 are on a straight line, which means they are able to give us only one line and not a triangle. Okay, so in this case, we will actually stop at 10C3 minus 5C3 and not add or subtract a 1. So yeah, I hope this question is clear. I hope you are able to solve the replica correctly this time and put your answer in the comments. Till next time, happy learning and see you.